Okay, in this video we'll be showing how to install your front rack. Front rack came, if you ordered one, it would have been in the bucket, zip tied in there. I'm going to install this. In order to do so, I need to remove 4 5mm bolts. Again, using my wrench that came with the bicycle, loosen these up, remove them with the little Madsen nameplates, and we'll get the front rack on. These come out all the way. Set those aside. The only complicated part about this installation is to make sure that your 3 cables stay inside of the rack once we get it installed. So once I have these all removed, I'm going to take my rack and just place it right up there. Again, making sure that my cables go in between. And the only mistake that you can make, well, I'm sure you can make some mistakes, but the biggest thing to make sure is that you don't accidentally squeeze your cables while you tighten down these nuts. These bolts. So get the bolts in, and then check and double check that the cables aren't being pinched onto the frame, in between the frame and the rack. So we'll get all 4 bolts in, just hand tightened. And then I'll go ahead and crank down using my wrench. This is the point that we could get in trouble by accidentally pinching the cable up again in between the rack and the frame. So I'm just going to make sure that all three cables can move around easily before I tighten down these final bolts. And that's the installation of the front rack. I'm not going to take the time on the video to tighten these all up, but once these are all the way tight, you're good to go. Thanks for watching.